Today on Dogmatic Gardens, I'm going to show you how to prune your zucchini plants to help them grow faster and grow more. So let's get growing. So it's a little busy around my place today. So I'm going to show you how to prune your zucchini plants. You have too many leaves, so let me see. Bring it here. I have too many leaves here. I'll try to get you closer here. You want to concentrate everything onto the fruit there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to prune it, how to trim it back, and also if you don't have many female flowers with fruit, it's just all male, what you can do there to help speed that up too. So let me grab the pruners and we'll get going. Okay, so as you can see, my zucchini is getting a little out of hand here. I do have one ready to cut here. It's a nice big one there, and two more growing. This one's not too terrible, but you want to kind of let the energy go towards the fruit instead, right? Like this one here, it's got all leaves and barely any fruit. Well, there's one starting there. And this one here is my yellow zebra one, and you can see too I just got way too many vines and leaves and stuff in there, so I gotta also noticing getting a little bit of that cloudy leaf there. I'll have to spray some stuff on there. Usually soapy water works. And then if you look at this one here, lots of fruit there. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zucchinis just on this one alone. So I want to try to remove some of these leaves and get all the energy right towards the fruit. So first thing I want to do is I want to remove this zucchini since it's ready to be picked. I'm going to remove this leaf here, this one right here, sorry, camera here, this one here. It's right at the bottom here of the plant. So let me try and get there. You always get afraid that you don't want to cut something else. Let me see, right there. And hopefully that, yep. And there is some pickers on them, so you got to watch it. So here's this one here, and you got to watch. Get underneath there and just get the fruit without damaging the other fruit, right? So okay, so can you see that? These handles keep sliding out of my hand here. I'm trying to get so you can see. There you go. And the whole plant falls down as soon as I cut the zucchini. So I want to see what's going on here. 1 second. Okay, so I propped this one up so you can see. This one's all males. Oh, you might have one female there. This one right there. But most of these are males. So you want to kind of clip away a bunch so you make sure that you can start getting rid of the dogs barking at each other, getting rid of the males to get some females too, right? But you don't want to get rid of all the males. So you see I got 2 growing here, then I got a bunch of males, and then I got 1 more female in there. So but if you see, I got a bunch of little leaves in here now starting out, so I'll keep those.
and you get a couple of the big leaves sheltering everything. So you don't 8 or 10 or whatever. This dog here, my son's dog, he's like the bulldozer. He'll just walk over everything, so you gotta watch where he steps to crushing plants. So that's what you want to do. Don't be afraid to trim and get rid of some of that foliage around. And you want to give all the as much energy as you can to the fruit, right? So those there, I wanted to give as much energy so they grow. And so by cutting all the stuff that was underneath that's laying there and just on the ground, and you don't need all the energy going to these leaves, right? So you just need some leaves for coverage, and that's about it. So usually about 8 to 10 leaves are good. And if you have the flowers, if the flowers have already bloomed, then you can trim those down too. If they haven't, let them bloom, right? So you want to get the pollinators around.
Alright, so if you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified when I post another video, and we'll talk to you later.